Tony Ronnie's. Today I'm making some fried rice and sausage. Oh yeah. As you can see, I got sweet Italian sausage, and I also have mild, okay? I also have some yellow Xanarange rice. I couldn't find the rice that I wanted to use, and that pissed me off so bad. And I also have the eggs in the refrigerator, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and get this rice started ASAP. 4 cups of water and a teaspoon of butter. I got the butter here. I already got the water in there already. And we're going to go ahead and add this good old Xanarange. I love Xanarange rice. Yellow Xanarange. Oh, it's really good. So go ahead and add that good old rice. Bam. Oh, yeah. Get my trusted spoon. All right, we're going to go ahead and stir this bad boy up just a little bit. Oh, yeah. I should make 1 more box. Never mind. This should be enough. All right, so we're going to stir that up. Make sure everything is even and all that stuff. And you're going to put the lid on and leave it for about 15 minutes. And we're going to come back and check on it. All right, guys. It's been about... You got something to say you want to say?
Yeah.
All right. All right, y'all. This been cooking for about 10 minutes. As you can see, the water, well, the juice is draining and the rice is sucking it up. All right, whatever. That don't even make sense. I'm out. 15 more minutes. This is really good rice. If you haven't tried Xanarange yellow rice, give it a try. So we're going to throw this to the side and we're going to start on them sausages. Alright guys, we're going to go ahead and get these sausages done. We're going to add a little bit of butter. And we're going to go ahead and throw these good old sausages in. The mild sausages in, I got sweet and mild. So this is not too hot, so they should like this. I turned up the heat on these sausages, man, because it's getting late. And I want to have dinner done early today. But it never works in my favor, ever. So we're just going ahead and give these bad boys a good old mix. As y'all can see, I got all 3 packs in here, man. And what we're going to do is continue to cook these bad boys with the lid on there. You know, normally I add a little flavor to it. But I think since they being sausages, they already got a lot of flavor to it. So I don't want to overdo it. So we're just going to let these bad boys continue to cook until they cook thoroughly. Done with all the sausages, guys. We're going to go ahead and cut them up into little pieces so we can mix them with the eggs and the rice, alright? Alright, we're going to go ahead and throw these onions that I diced up in there. We're going to saute these up just for a little bit before we throw the eggs in there. So get all your onions in there. And of course I'm making a mess. We have a good old stir. I also added a little bit of butter as well. Just want to cook these up just for a second. So you're not eating raw eggs in your food, okay?
Onions.
Oh my God, why do I keep saying eggs? Alright, we got the onions out the way. We're just going ahead and make these eggs. Get every single bit of these eggs, because eggs is $20.99. Literally. For a nice little touch, we're going to go ahead and add some Italian seasoning to it. Not a lot, okay? Bam. Look at that. Look at those eggs, y'all. Look at those eggs. Alright, we got the eggs done. And we're going to go ahead and fry this rice up a little bit. Get it back nice and hot. Whew. Oh yeah. Stir that up. Get that nice and hot. We're going to come in with the sausages. Come in with the onions. We're going to mix this bad boy on up. In the meanwhile, you just turn off the heat and just give it a stir. You can keep adding butter as you go if you would like. And there goes your meal, guys. Everything's heated up. Everything's done. And you are good to go. Take that off the heat. Bam. There you go. Bon apetito. Alright guys, this is my first time ever making this, and it looks really good, man. And I'm hoping that it tastes good. Y'all know I normally do a little taste test for y'all. I don't know, I'm looking a little rough right now, so that might have to pass. But I can assure y'all, this is good. Y'all know your boy Tony Roney made it, so it's going to be good. If I can get it. The last one I made was a disaster. Yeah, that was definitely a fail. This one turned out a lot better. And I'm making a mess as usual. Alright, and there go my plate. Let me get another onion and egg. Y'all know I'm greedy. Alright. Here go your boy's plate. All messy. And everything. Look, food there. I am so sloppy. Well, thanks for watching, guys. I'm going to go ahead. Let's hit with a thumbnail. Bam. Thumbnail. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button for your boy, and I'll let y'all know how it turned out in the comments. Peace out.